Good day, my viewers. It's 12 midnight, so just like in my previous video, I told you we'll be injecting the fishes by 12 midnight. So it's 12 midnight in my time over here. So we're about to carry out the operation of injecting the fishes ahead of tomorrow's stripping and hashing procedure. The first step I take is the production of saline water. For those of you who don't know what is saline water is a mixture of water and salt. Now, the reason why I'm doing or producing a saline water is I normally use it during injection because sometimes the weight of the fish might not be up to 2 kg or 3 kg, and at the end of the day, I told you that you have to inject according to the weight. So if it's 2 kg, the injection you're going to be giving is going to be divided by 2 kg, which is 1 ml of injection. So sometimes the fish might not weigh up to 1 kg or 2 kg. Then I have to use the saline water to add up with the hormone I'm going to use and inject the fish. So right now I'm producing the saline water. That's the first step I'm going to take. For the measurement of the saline water, 1 flat tablespoon of salt equals to 2 sachets pure water, and half of it equals to 1 sachet pure water. So that's the measurement for producing the saline water. The second step after the preparation of the saline water is the extraction of the hormone, which is the overcream, which we are going to inject the broodstock. For those of you who followed my previous video where we took the measurement of the broodstock, it was 0.9 kg and 1.3 kg respectively. So we are going to measure half of the measurement we took for the broodstock. So the 1.3 kg, you're going to divide it by 2, and the 0.9 kg, you're going to divide it by 2. And that will be 0.45 and 0.65. It is now up to 1 ml. So I'm going to use the saline water to complete it 1 ml, which I'm going to inject the broodstock. That has been the way I've been doing it over time, and it has been perfect. Others also inject it directly after measuring with the overprint. They don't add the saline water, but this has been my preferred method, and I also advise you, my viewers, to apply the same method too. Now, on injecting a catfish broodstock, the method used to inject the catfish broodstock is above the literal line. So many of you will be wondering what's a literal line. When you get your broodstock, observe your broodstock body, you will see a literal line in between the body of the catfish broodstock visibly. Now the injection is taken above the literal line. Anywhere above the literal line close to the egg axis facing the head direction. So you inject facing the head direction of the broodstock above the literal line, not below the literal line. Anywhere above the literal line close to the egg axis. So that is how you inject your broodstock. Now, after injecting your broodstock, make sure you massage the area where you injected the broodstock. Massage it at least 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the hormone to circulate and won't cause any harm to the broodstock after you must have stripped the broodstock of the eggs. If you don't massage it properly, when you're done with the stripping, you're going to notice some kind of wound. It's going to soar up wound. So you do well to make sure that you massage the place or the point where you injected your broodstock. So I would also love you to try out this for those who are watching right now, and also air me your concern and your little adventure too. I would like to know how you did it. So this is how broodstock are injected. For those of you who are watching, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The next video I'm going to drop in, I'll be showing you how this particular broodstock I injected was stripped. So I hope you also stay in line and stay in touch so that you can get more information. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the time. And also don't forget, your questions are welcomed at the comment section. If there's anything you don't understand or you would love to ask, do well to comment on the comment section, or you can chat me directly on the number you see on your screen. I will do well to reply you as soon as I get your message. Thank you and God bless.